What up, guys? Panda Taco coming at you with another video here. Pretty pumped. I just received my Garmin Fenix 5X Plus last night, so I'm loving it. I mean, I've only had it for a day and a half, but there's so much you can do on this watch. I'm pretty excited about it. If any of you guys have this watch, and you guys love it, leave a comment down below. If you guys have any tips, there's so much you can do. I'm still reading up on it, but let me move forward in the video. I just received another package this morning. Came in 2 days earlier than expected, and that's my third bed rail mount. So I ordered this from eBay. It's pretty awesome. I bought it for 50 bucks. I said, why not? It's pretty inexpensive, and the reason why I got it was because I was looking for more mounting options on my truck. I know when I had my RCI bed rack, I wasn't able to mount my water port because it took up all the room on my rails. So I figured, why not just look into getting a third bed rail mount, because I've seen it on second gen Tacomas and I've seen them on the Tundras, but for some reason Toyota never offered that option on the third gen Tacomas. So ended up, like I said, pulling the trigger. So I'm going to do a quick install video on my bed rail mount. Shouldn't take too much time, should take around like 5 minutes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching so far. So here it is, guys. Just got the package. I'm gonna open her up right now. Just cut this tape off here. Difficult with one hand here, but I got it. Couple more. There we go. One more. I think I forgot one over here. There we go. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. I'm gonna jump up in the back of the truck here and see if it lines up perfectly. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna fit pretty nicely. I'll rest it so I can give you guys a little preview. So give you guys a little shot from the, obviously that's gonna get bolted up right there, and it looks like I'm just gonna be able to use the previous bolts that are in there. Let's see. It looks like it takes a star configuration, which I have, which is nice. All you gotta do is unscrew these and just screw them back in with this new rail, and I'm good to go. Alright guys, so I got my tools out. Gonna use the star configuration here. Taking the bolts out right now. Let's see if you guys can see that. Angle the camera a little bit better. So I'll just loosen them up. Alright guys, so I just took out these screws. They have a star configuration. I just took all 5 of them out. I have my rail right here, and I'm going to start bolting them or screwing them back in. Watch that this is all one piece, so this can fall forward. So I'll go ahead and get started here. Alright guys, so I just installed the bed rail mount right here. Came out pretty clean, it's pretty solid. Screwed them right in. Only thing I would say is just watch out for this top rail right here that wants to fall forward when all the screws are out. So just make sure that doesn't fall on you, and when you're mounting this up, just hand tighten all of them at once, and make sure this is nice and snug when you tighten up the screws. And I'm going to go ahead and also bolt my water port up And once I do that, I'll show you guys what that looks like with the finished product. Just finished mounting my water port on my new bed rail right there. You know, it took me, the total project took me around like 10 minutes to install. I think it looks pretty awesome. You know, it gives me more mounting options. Just, you know, instead of just having 2 rails, I have 3 bed rails now, which is pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys like the channel, all my videos, you know, please subscribe, and Taco out. Thank you for watching.